And welcome to break 3338 for the 2020 Panini Black. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead, check out the current dates and times according to eBay. It's Wednesday, September 16th. It's 12:10 a.m. Eastern Time. It's Tuesday, September 15th, 2020. It is 11:10 p.m. Central Time and 9:10 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have R&J with 13 spots, G. Barth with 7, Wit 4, Chef Brad 2, and 2, Michael 1, Wool 1, Ryan 2 spots. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. Ryan on top. Excuse me. R&J on top, Ryan on the bottom. Once, twice, 3 times. 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has R&J on top, G. Barth on the bottom. R&J with the Cardinals, Falcons, Ravens, Bills, Panthers, and with the Bears, Wool, Bengals, R&J Browns, G. Barth Cowboys, R&J Broncos, Wit with the Lions, G. Barth with the Packers. We have R&J Texans, Colts, Wit with the Jaguars, G. Barth with the Chiefs, Ryan with the Raiders, Chef Brad Chargers, G. Barth with the Rams, R&J Dolphins, Chef Brad Vikings, Wit with the Patriots, Michael with the Saints, R&J Giants, G. Barth Jets, Wit Eagles, R&J with the Steelers, 49ers, G. Barth Seahawks, Ryan Buccaneers and Titans, and last but not least, G. Barth with the Washington Football Team Redskins. I'll seal it up. All 5 cards will ship. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Good luck, everybody. First up, we have Dan Marino and the Dolphins. The Dolphins are first up. We'll go through the box and then go through and highlight our winners. Rookie jersey, Keyshawn Vaughn and the Buccaneers. That is 36 out of 50. Futuristic. Back. So Miami, Tampa, ooh, that's sweet. Check that out. Got a tag, NFL emblem, Nike swoosh on the field. That is 1 out of 5. Antonio Gandy golden for the Redskins, aka Washington Football Team. Check that out. Sizable tag auto, 1 out of 5. 1 out of 5. And there's there's the back. That is sweet. So 3 down, 2 to go. Jordan Brooks auto, 73 out of 199, rookie auto for the Seattle Seahawks. And last but not least, we have Mr. Drew Lock. That's 27 out of 99 for the Broncos. So let's start with the Broncos and see who has what. We have the Denver Broncos going to RNJ. Congrats. Seattle Seahawks. Going to G. Barth. Congrats. The 1 out of 5 auto tag for the Redskins. That is going to G. Barth 17. Congrats. We have the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Tampa is going to Rye. Congrats. And last but not least, we have the Miami Dolphins, Dan Marino. That's RNJ. Congrats, guys. That was break 3338 for the 2020 Panini Black. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break. And all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in break bonus 101. Thanks.